This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I'll show how you can enable and configure the power saving mode on this device. So to start, you will need to open settings, then find and enter the battery category, or in some cases it will be battery and device care. Then here's the power saving toggle, so that's how you switch this mode on. You can open its preferences page and change its preferences here. Just make sure before you change your power saving settings, make sure to switch the feature itself off. So here you can decide what measures will be applied once the power saving mode is activated. What else? We can also open and enable the adaptive power saving mode feature. What else? I guess that'll be it from what I can see, at least as far as this power saving or battery saver mode goes. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.